Hey everyone, this is Stephanie, and I am going to show you another one of my new gadgets, and this is called the Ninja Combi cooker. And actually, I do believe that this is taking the place of the Ninja Speedy, and I can say from the beginning that this thing is much bigger than the Speedy is, but I guess if you have a big family, then you can use it. Now, I have not even, this just came out the box. I have not even tried it, but I figured I will let you see, as I open the box, what I got. So, I got this book, the Ninja Combi Inspirational Guide, and it's got all kinds of, recipes and such in here, and so I can start to figure out what I'm going to make. And then today, actually, I am going to make, but you probably won't see it. But today, you at least won't see it on this video. But today, I'm going to actually make my cube steak on slow cooker, and I want to see how that does. So that's a glance at the book. It came with, the Combi all-in-one instructions and things, and it came with a quick start guide right here. So I just want to show you the stuff I got with mine. So I've got this little crisper basket thing, okay, that's the crisper basket, and this is I guess this is the pan that it comes in, but it got the little racks on it right here. It got these little rack things on it. So, that's what it actually comes with. And again, I don't know if you saw this, but this is the crisper basket thing. And mine actually came with this. This looks like a little cake pan, which I think that's exactly what it is. So the Ninja kind of cake pan that they have sometimes. And then I have a top here, and I have this deeper bowl, deeper tray, I want to call it. So this is actually the one I'm going to use when I make my cube steak. So this is what it is, and this thing fits. This thing fits right in here, like that. Nice. That's what it's for, if you want to use it in that manner. But today I'm not going to do that. And so let me just turn it on. I'm not going to show you much more than that, but you turn it on here, and like the Speedy, it has the switch on the top that goes. Now we on the combi cooker side, and then we got the air fry side right over here. And I'm going to start with sear and saute on mine. Then I'm going to go to slow cooker, so I guess I'll be over here somewhere. And you got your time and your slices over here. Got your temperature and your shades over there. And you would, actually, let's see. That's the time. And then your functions up and down. Let's see. Your functions going down is all of these. And going back up is over here. And the other side, same thing. Combi cooker. This side, it's really close to the Ninja Speedy. So I'm going to be playing with it, having some fun, and I'll be letting you know what's up with it. So I'll talk to you soon.